What's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Harmony and today's video is going to be this rainbow skull. I got inspired to do this makeup look from this picture I found on Pinterest. I will insert it right here so you guys can kind of see where I got my inspiration for this look from. Keep in mind, I'm not a special effects makeup artist. Like, I just do like regular glam makeup, but I wanted to kind of step out of my comfort zone and do something a little different. And honestly, if I can do this, you can do it. It's not perfect. Like I said, I'm not a freaking special effects makeup artist. I just want to try to, you know, use my creativity to create more looks. And I came up with this. I changed it from the picture I saw. I just kind of, like I said, used that as a reference. You can use all of the makeup that you already have in your collection. You don't need to go out and freaking buy a bunch of crazy stuff. Like, I just use glitter and an eyeshadow palette and these like cheap Wet n Wild face paints. So that's how I did it. I hope you guys enjoy this look. It's super easy to recreate. You just need a wig. I feel like the wig just kind of gives it more of a, you know, a little festive rainbow vibe. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So we're going to be doing like a rainbow skull. Okay. Also, sorry for the lighting if it's bad, and also this is my first time using a backdrop, so let me know what you guys think. I'm going to try to start to do my makeup tutorials with backdrops. Let me know. To prime my skin, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. We first want to start off with the base. So I'm just going to do some foundation, and this is a Neutrogena Shine Control Makeup in 60 Neutral Beige. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face using a beauty blender. So I'm going to take some of this Wet n Wild paint pot, and this is just a white one. And I want to see how this is going to work. Just kind of blending this all over like this part of my face, pretty much where the colors are going to go. And I'm just going to highlight my nose. For concealer, I'm going to take this e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in Medium Peach, and I'm just going to highlight under my eyes and also prime my eyes with this. I'm just going to blend this in with my beauty blender. To set my face, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild mattifying, why did I say like that? Mattifying powder. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and just set all of the cream on my face. So in the picture, she has blue eyebrows. I kind of want to do pink eyebrows since I have pink hair. I'm going to take my Morphe eyebrow brush, the M158. And I'm just going to brush my brows up. Taking this Sigma E15 brush, I'm going to take some of that white paint and I'm going to just paint my eyebrows white. I look so crazy. We're going to start on the skull part right here. So I know I already powdered my face, but I just want this part to be super bright. So I'm going to take some more of that white color, and I'm taking that on a Morphe E8 brush. And I'm just going to pack this on. The palette I'm going to be using today is the Morphe James Charles palette, because it has pretty much every color that we could possibly need. Taking a Jeffree Star JS8 brush, and I'm going to be using that for the colors. So the first color I'm going to take is that yellow color in the palette, which is like a super bright yellow. And we're going to put that right here. You don't really need to worry about the lips. Just the outside part of the lips. And basically we're just going to create like an ombre. Taking just a BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to use a different brush for the other side, and we're just going to do the other side of the rainbow. Okay, so I feel like it looks a little weird because we don't have anything sketched out, so I want to do the outside part of the cheeks. I'm going to take this contour brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to take the pink color in the shadow palette, like the bright pink, and we're going to act like we're contouring. And kind of just applying it to the cheeks just to get the color, and then we're going to intensify it. So to get that intenseness, we're going to take this like purpley color, and we're just going to deepen up this socket of the cheekbone. And just keep doing that until it is at the desired intenseness that I want. So we're gonna fill in the eyebrows. I'm just gonna take my Morphe M158 brush, and we're just going to fill them in with that pink color. So I just finished the brows. And now I want to move on to the eyes. So I'm just going to fast forward through the eyes because I'm not exactly sure how I want to do them. So now that everything is pretty much on, now we just have to add the details. For the nose, I'm going to take again some of that pink color and just kind of outline. We're just going to do like a basic skeleton nose. We're going to take the same paint pot but the black one, and I'm taking a Morphe M326 brush, and I'm just going to fill in my nose. I'm going to take the black from the James Charles palette and just set that powder, or sorry, set that liquid so that it is not shiny. So we're going to do the teeth and the structure of the skeleton. I'm going to first take a white pencil, and I'm just going to kind of put this outline right here. Sharpen the pencil really sharp, and then we're going to just draw the teeth. Go back in to that black paint and just kind of fill out the details. Okay, so I basically just added all the teeth. I added some translucent glitter from MAC to my eyes, and then I outlined my brows. So I'm going to add that same glitter to the teeth, and then I'm going to outline it with black eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. Pretty much everything is complete. We're just gonna add a couple of details, like with the nose. I just want to add a little bit more pink to the sides. I'm just using these Salon Perfect lashes. Just gonna pop these on. I think that I want to do like a little bit under the eyes glitter. I'm going to take some Fix Plus and spray my brush, and then I'm going to take this color from the James Charles palette right here and just highlight my cheeks. And also my chin. Alright guys, so that is the entire makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel so freaking weird with this wig on right now. Like, who the f am I? I am going to be doing another school makeup tutorial this week for you guys. I'm going to be doing like a more like neutral one with my regular hair, not a freaking pink wig. So if you guys are more interested in seeing that, that will be up on my channel after this video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wanted to, like I said, do something a little bit different, and this is definitely out of my comfort zone. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here, and then also don't forget to watch some of my other videos that will be listed right here. It's a good time and you guys won't regret it, I promise. So make sure you guys subscribe and go check out my other videos. And if you guys have any questions, video suggestions, comments, concerns, whatever, let me know in the comments down below. I will get back to you. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.